my channel. Hello dining crew, this is Cassidy and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make some pancakes. Okay, we need one giant bowl and the flour about the cup. So I don't have a list now. I got a spatula, the flamingo on it, and I need some cinnamon, and we need little piece of water. So let's begin. Okay, let's scoop it out. Whoa, that's the big scoop. So I'm going to pour the flour over the bowl and just so heavy. Okay. And we need a little bit piece of cinnamon. And so we have a spatula about the flamingo on it. And mix all together. Now it's ready. So after mixing, we can add some water and continue mixing. Is it that tasty or is that tasty? Huh? Okay, smells good. Now let's cook it in the pan. Remember, everybody, don't touch the pan. I wanna pour some pancakes inside the pan. Careful. Oh! When the bubble popped, you can just flip it over. Okay, let's wait. After the bubbles popped, now we can flip it over. Okay. Well, I can't flip it over. Whoa! It's stuck. If the pancake breaks, now it's okay. So it's not going to be fabulous and perfect. It doesn't need to be perfect. Okay. Heat it up. Okay, careful. There. So voila! How's it look? Perfect? Yeah, that's perfect. Now let's turn off the heat. Now we're going to eat the pancake, but first things first, to spread the butter. Okay, now it's almost done, guys. The butter is melting. Oh, it just melts. But I'm done. But first, we need the syrup. So it's maple syrup. My favorite syrup on the pancake. What's so sticky? I'll add a little bit more. I gotta press them, but done. Now spread the syrup. But my hands are still sticky. Oh, I'm going to use a knife for that. Oh, voila! Come on, Dino Crew, let's eat it. Good! Don't forget to taste the sweet pancake. Remember, always stay happy and rise up and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel.